disaster is a global concern to everyone in the world. One of the climate disaster we could see is what is occurring in the United States, which has affected so many lives and properties. Over 24 people are dead due to the wildfire outbreak. This wildfire isn't a story, it is already a reality. And the Los Angeles wildfire has burned 40,000 acres of farmland, and an estimation of damage now exceeded 150 billion US dollars in the costliest wildfire ever experienced in the United States. And on Tuesday morning, which we've discovered that 88,000 people has been ordered to evacuate the city, and also